So ReelMatrix comes in a couple of different kit combinations, this being the standard kit combination where we have a selection of the different reels. There are 8 different reels, so you get the full assortment, including the DME bands, the deep margin elevation bands, like so. The applicator instrument, and it also comes with the Perform contact forming instruments, which are an important part of using a circumferential matrix system, is that you have something to help you form the contact. So it does include the Perform instruments as well. So there is another option for the kit. It's called the DME kit. Okay, so the DME kit comes with a different box of materials. It has the handle. It does not have the Perform contact instruments because deep margin elevation does not call for, it's really before you get to the point where you're building up the contact. It's just to move the subgingival margins a millimeter or so supragingival so that you can get a better scan or impression if you're doing crown preps, or to raise that margin and then complete it with a sectional system for the contact points itself. So it has the deep margin elevation reels already loaded, ready to go with the handle, some wedges, and also firm bands for when you can accomplish a deep margin elevation without having to apply a reel. So we've got a lot of tips and tricks on deep margin elevation out on our YouTube channel. I'd recommend you go out there and take a look at that and walk you through a couple of different scenarios on how to accomplish that technique. But there is a kit ready to go from Garrison to do that. So again, 2 versions of the kit for ReelMatrix. The general circumferential kit, I would call it, that has all 8 of the different bands, the contact formers, and the handle, and then the DME kit where we have the handle and the specialty DME matrix products.